What's up guys? This video I'm going to talk about patching a pool. So this is a nightly rental and I had a guy, I guess probably had a little bit to drink, throw this boulder, that's a decorative boulder, into my pool from this diving board and hit there. He apparently tried to get it out because it was sitting over here when I came over, and we eventually got it out. But that was about 2 years ago, and I tried lots of different patches, and this is the deep end, so pressure, water pushing down, trying to get out. When I got here, it was about a foot low from where it is right now. It was in emergency mode. I turned the water on and I tried a bunch of different patches from the box stores. Could not get anything to work underwater. Here's what I got to work. So I'm sure there's someone out there that would appreciate this video. I wish I would have found this video. So I'm making it for those guys that are in emergency situations. It's Flex Seal. I know it says CNTV. A lot of people are like, but this worked. Originally I bought white because I didn't know there was a clear, but you can get clear. I bought this on Amazon, but some of the box stores sell it as well. Just get some patching material. If you don't have extra material from your original liner, it's not going to match perfectly, but even your original liner over the years, it will get sun bleached, and actual bleach from the chlorine in the water will make it lighter. So when you go to patch it, it's not going to look perfect, but honestly, it looks fine. It looks a lot better than an empty pool. All right, so here's what I did. Get the patch material, get the stuff, if you get it on Amazon, they sell a sticky back version. I did not get that. I wanted to get the stuff that did not have anything on it because I wanted the glue to go directly onto it. And you're just going to glue all the way around. Make sure you get your edge, and then you carry it down. Be careful, make sure you have someone with you, obviously. And flip, put it on your patch, and take a card and just smear it out, get it nice. And if you have any edges that you can't get to hold down, add a little tiny bit. You could actually do this from the surface, just put some on your finger and add some all the way around and from the top, so it's on the patch and on the pool, and that will hold it down. I had that happen a few spots, but most spots it did hold down pretty well.
Hey, so quick note about that. If you do put it on the outside or get that glue on the outside, even clear will be slightly like a hazy look. It won't be perfectly clear. So if you have a patch that's perfectly matched to your pool and you're trying to make it disappear, definitely don't get the glue on the outside like I said. But if it's like my pool and it's not exactly the same color, it probably won't matter much to you.
Now, when I first had this happen, I didn't have any of this material. All I did was take a whole tube of this and I filled up those holes, and it did work. It stopped it. And that's been 2 years, and just now I decided it kind of makes me nervous, so I wanted to go ahead and put this on top of that. So now I got an extra sealed off situation happening there. But another issue I had at the same time, I was having issues with the liner. I bought the pool and the guy was having issues with the liner coming down, and I watched some videos about using a heat gun or a hair dryer, and hot water actually works the best, and I got most of them back up, but the rail itself was messed up in several places where you got to tuck it in. And this is what I did. This has been 2 years now, and it's still doing just fine. The spots that had no rail to tuck it in, I went past it with the patch material. I'll get a little closer. I went past it with the patch material and down underneath it maybe 2 inches as well, and just push that over it, and it's holding, it gives it a brace so it doesn't continue to stretch and pull out of that hole. And so far, so good. There was only a few spots that were like that. I hate that they're a little bit of an eyesore. Again, I wish I had extra material from where they originally did this liner, but I did not, and maybe you do. It looks way better than those big sags that were in the liner itself. All right, guys. Hope you liked the video. I hope this answers some questions for y'all, and I hope I helped someone out there. I know that I wish I would have found this video instead of wasting so much time and holding my breath over and over again to try to get that patched up down there. Liners are expensive. It's probably, I think it was $8,000 when this was done a couple years ago, and I'm sure that's gone up by now. All right, hope you liked the video. Hope it answers questions. We'll see you in the next one.